One of the skills that I've noticed throughout my teaching career that was a big focus in my last two schools was vocabulary. Vocabulary was one of the skills on MAT tests that students seem to score the lowest. And it's also felt like an area that I haven't done my best in focusing on. So I found this website called Free Rice, and it's completely free to sign up. And it is a fun quiz game that tests your vocabulary and just general knowledge. And for every question the user answers correctly, 10 grains of rice are donated to the United Nations World Food Program. So it's kind of cool because it also feels like not only are you testing your knowledge, are you practicing your vocabulary, but you're also getting to contribute to a good cause. So, for example, you can choose the game, and it might give you a question like, which ocean are you most likely to find narwhals? And when you select an answer, if you get it correct, it will add 10 grains of rice, as you can see down here in this little bowl. You can also change the categories. So maybe you want to do more work with ancient history, or maybe you want to go to root words or even language learning. So there's lots of different categories to choose from. You can also change the difficulty level. So if you want it a little bit easier, you can leave it here, or you can decide to change the difficulty level. There's also groups. You can create groups. And it's just kind of a fun, good practice activity for students. This would fulfill the ISTE standards 3.3C and 3.4B.